Hi guys, Kinga here. In today's video, we are going to talk about branding. Something so obvious, but trust me, I've been into many Klaviyo accounts and so many brands are missing that basic setup. So in order for us to set up your brand, you have to go into image and brand under content. And here you'll have three options: images, brand, and fonts. So images, it will show all the images, or if you want to upload some specific images, you just load them in here, upload image, and follow the prompt. But I want to focus on brand and font. So when we in brand, we have styles, header links, and social icons, right? Here you upload your logo, and then here you set your branding colors. Now, if you are not using any specific fonts, you can just set the fonts right here, and that is going to be universal across for all your emails that you are setting up. Now, when it comes to header links, this is when we're setting up our navigation, top navigation, and you can basically add as many as you want and then add your links in here. And then social for all your social icons right here. So now that we have the styling set up with our links and social, we go into fonts. And this is where, oh wait, this is important. Once this is all set up, it's very important that we click this update brand button, because this otherwise it's not going to save it. So make sure you click update brand and then go to your fonts. And once you in fonts, you have option to either download Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or you can import your own fonts. So I'm not going to go into detail here. If you have, because it's really easy, you just choose your fonts. And I think with import fonts, you need to basically upload your brand fonts. But then with this, you need to make sure that you have a fallback font, because obviously not everyone is going to have your imported fonts installed on their computers. I hope you find this informative and helpful. Go check your brand if it's set up in Klaviyo, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, subscribe so you get notified.